In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the watch face and widget loop on your new Garmin Instinct 2 series GPS watch. Along with providing the time, you can customize the watch face to show other useful information. Begin by pressing and holding the menu button. Select Watch Face. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the available watch face layouts. To select the layout, press the GPS button. Press the GPS button again to apply the changes, or scroll down and select Customize to change what data is shown on your watch face. This additional information can include heart rate, battery level, steps, and more. Now you will notice that the data field in the dial is blinking. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the available options. Press the GPS button to confirm your selection. Repeat this process for each additional data field. When you have finished, a check mark will appear in the dial. You have now customized the watch face. Next, we're going to show you how to customize the widget loop glances. From the watch face, when you scroll up or down through the pages on your Garmin Instinct 2, you are scrolling through the widget loop glances. Widget glances provide quick access to important information such as heart rate, steps, and notifications. Some widgets require a connection to your smartphone. For a walkthrough on pairing your phone, check out our Getting Started video. To customize the glances, begin by pressing and holding the menu button. Scroll down and select Appearance, followed by Glances. The first thing you will see is your list of the widget glances already in your widget loop list. To add glances, scroll down and select Add. Now scroll through the list of available glances. Press the GPS button to select the glance you would like to add. When you are done adding glances, press the back button to return to the widget loop list. You can also change the location of the glance in the widget loop list, or you can remove a glance. To do this, begin by selecting the glance you would like to reorder or remove. Use the up and down buttons to reposition the glance on the list. Press the GPS button when the glance is in the spot where you would like it to be. To delete a glance, select it with the GPS button and press the GPS button again to confirm deleting it from your list. Repeat either of these two processes until the widget loop is ordered to your liking. You have now customized the widget loop glances list. And that's it! To learn more about your Instinct, please watch our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.